Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel Dhyani Classes. If you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever new video will be uploaded. So in today's video we will cover the summary from the lesson A Letter to God, class 10 CBSE. So let's get started. So this story discusses the power of innocent faith in God by a man and how he is able to accomplish his want through it. So the story ends with an irony. The story talks about Lencho, the main character who is a farmer and he has immense faith in God. So let's begin with the summary of the lesson. Lencho is a hard-working farmer who lives with his family in a beautiful valley. He always takes care of his family and prepares his field of corn amid the valley and hopes for the rain to get good harvest this year. One fine day the black clouds approaches from the mountain and he becomes very happy and goes inside the house, and his wife was preparing supper and he says, "This year we are getting good harvest because rain is going to happen." As soon as the rain began to fall, he goes outside and sees the falling droplets, which he calls falling coins. After the hailstorm, Lencho feels sad and helpless. His wife encourages him to keep faith in God and assures him no one dies of hunger, and God helps those in need and feeds the hungry. Lencho writes a letter to God and asks for help. He writes a letter and demands for 100 pesos and addresses it to God. Postmaster reads a letter and understands his circumstances and tries to maintain his faith in God. The whole post office employees comes together and contributes their share as a charity to pull him out from the worst situation. They gather 70 pesos and put them inside the envelope with a letter signed God. The following weekend, Lencho arrives at the post office to collect his mail from God. He is not happy with the letter at all and takes the letter and comes back. Later on, he returns to the post office. He looks depressed and finds a piece of paper and ink because he wants to write a letter again. He then writes something on the paper and affixes a postage stamp to it and drops it in the mailbox. As soon as he leaves, the postman runs back to the mailbox and opens his new letter. In the new letter, Lencho writes that he only received 70 pesos and I need 100 pesos. So send me rest of the money separately to me, and he writes, don't send rest of the money through mail because post office employees are a bunch of crooks. I hope you liked the video. For more informative videos, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever new video will be uploaded. So thank you so much for watching once again. Stay safe, stay healthy.